How to fix WhatsApp contact name not showing on Android phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix WhatsApp contact name not showing on Android phone. First, then open settings, and then you need to find apps, and then click apps again and scroll down until you find WhatsApp. Click on it, and here you will find permissions. Click permissions, and here you will find contact. Click on it and click allow and go back, and then click force stop, and then just restart your phone. Click restart, and that's it, and then it must be fixed. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.